Hey physics fans, today we'll be talking about kinematics. Kinematics is the description of motion without considering the forces that cause the motion, found in chapter 3 of your textbook. There's 3 related quantities that will help us describe this motion. The first one being position, where something is at any particular point in time, velocity, the change in position with respect to time, and acceleration, the change in velocity with respect to time. These quantities are related with these equations here, where velocity is the first derivative of the position function with respect to time, and acceleration is the first derivative of the velocity function with respect to time, or the second derivative of position with respect to time. From this equation here, we can derive 3 kinematics equations that you will use in solving problems in Physics 205. The first equation is obtained by taking the integral of our acceleration equation, which is constant, and getting this here with integration constant Vx naught. The second equation is obtained by taking the integral of the first equation, having integration constant x naught to give you what you see here. The third equation is obtained from solving the first equation for t, subbing it back into the second equation to get our equation for the final velocity squared. Some key notes. Right now, we only have written these equations in the x direction. However, they can also be applied in the y direction, changing all these x's into y's. Also, these equations were based off of the assumption that acceleration was constant. You cannot use these equations when acceleration is not constant. And a final note is that if you look at each equation, it is missing one quantity. The first equation is missing position. The second equation is missing the final velocity. And the third equation is missing time. This may help you in solving your problems for 205 in the future. To the window, to the wall. All these problems solved. All these problems.